In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the fiscal year in Wrike. This is really useful if your organization's financial year doesn't run from January to December, and you want your reports and timelines in Wrike to match the way your business actually operates. Let's start inside your Wrike workspace. Look toward the upper left corner of your screen, where you can see your profile icon. Depending on your setup, this might be your initials, a small avatar, or a generic profile image. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This is where Wrike keeps your main account options and personal settings, so it's often the first place to go when you need to make changes like this. Once the menu opens, you'll see several options related to your account. From here, click on Settings. This will redirect you out of the main workspace view and into the account and profile area, where you can control things like preferences, notifications, and account level configuration. On the next screen, you may again see a section or tab labeled Settings. If you do, click on Settings there as well. Think of this as moving from your personal profile into the broader account configuration. If you're part of a larger team, you might need to have admin rights to see or change some of these options. If you don't see them, you may want to check with your Wrike administrator. Once you're in the main account settings area, look for the section labeled Fiscal Year. This is where Wrike lets you define how your financial year is structured. Click into that fiscal year section. Here, you'll typically be able to choose when your fiscal year starts, such as April, July, or any other month, depending on how your organization is set up. Now follow the on-screen prompts to update your fiscal year settings. Wrike will guide you through any confirmation steps and show you what will change. Take a moment to review the options carefully before saving. Adjusting the fiscal year can impact reporting views, timelines, and how certain data is grouped, so it's a good idea to confirm the start month with your finance or operations team if you're unsure. Once you've completed the prompts and saved your changes, your Wrike account will align with your new fiscal year, helping your projects and reports better reflect your real-world planning cycles.